Hi there, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com.
Today I'll show you how to crochet the 3D granny stitch pattern. Even the other side has a neat embossed texture. To do this stitch pattern sample, chain 26 or any multiple of 3 plus 2. Skip the first chain and make a single crochet in the next chain. Then make a chain 2. We'll skip 2 chains and make a single crochet in the very next chain. We'll make another chain 2 and then we'll skip 2 more chains on the starting chain, and in the next chain, make a single crochet stitch again. We'll proceed on with making 2 more chain stitches, and as before, we'll skip 2 chains on the starting chain. In the next chain, we'll make a single crochet stitch. Keep repeating this pattern of a chain 2 followed by a single crochet across this row. You can see what this looks like thus far. For row 2, we'll begin with a chain 3, which will count as a double crochet for this new row. We're going to make 2 more double crochet stitches in the same stitch. Technically then, we'll have 3 double crochet stitches all in the same stitch, since the initial chain 3 counts as a double crochet stitch as well. We'll make 3 double crochet stitches in all of those previous single crochet stitches. So in this next single crochet from the row below, make 3 regular double crochet stitches. And in the next single crochet, I'm finishing up 3 more double crochet stitches all in the same stitch. You can see what this looks like thus far. So continue putting 3 double crochet stitches in every single crochet from the row below. Moving on to row 3 now, we're going to first start out with a back post single crochet stitch. I haven't made one of these stitches in a long time, so if you are like me, you might have to practice this one a few times before you can get it to go smoothly. So I'm making the back post single crochet stitch in the second or middle of the previous 3 double crochet stitches. And then I'm following it with a chain 2. We move on to the next set of 3 double crochet stitches. In the middle of the 3 of them, we're going to make our back post single crochet stitch around that second double crochet. And then I'm following it with a chain 2. Now, if you remember from row 1, we did a pattern of a single crochet followed by a chain 2 across the row. This is pretty much the same thing, except we're making a back post single crochet instead of a regular single crochet stitch. This creates the 3D embossed textured look. You'll continue with this pattern across the row. You'll end this row with the back post single crochet in the middle of the last set of 3 double crochet stitches. And you can see what this row looks like once it has been completed. You might have seen my other videos before and know I like lots of colors in my work. So I'm changing colors at this time, but feel free to keep using the same color as the previous row. For row 4, we'll start with a chain 3, which as before counts as the first double crochet stitch. And we'll make 2 more double crochet stitches in the same area. As mentioned before, the initial chain 3 plus the 2 double crochet stitches counts as a total of 3 double crochet stitches. And this row we've pretty much done before as well. Previously we made 3 double crochet stitches in regular single crochet stitches from the previous row. In this case, we're making 3 double crochet stitches on the top of each of those back post single crochet stitches instead. So you can see I'm making a total of 3 double crochet stitches on the top of the previous row's back post single crochet stitch. At the end, you can see what it looks like thus far. For row 5, you'll recognize this row as well. We'll start with the chain 1 and turn our work. Now we go back to the pattern of a back post single crochet stitch around the middle of the previous 3 double crochet stitches. Follow that with a chain 2. And then move on to the next set of 3 double crochet stitches and make a back post single crochet stitch around the middle one, followed by a chain 2. Continue with this pattern across the row. Moving forward, just repeat rows 4 and 5 for as many rows as you wish. That's how I crochet the 3D granny stitch pattern.